Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how many devices you can use with Goodbudget. When managing your finances with a digital envelope system, knowing your device limits is essential, especially if you want to share a budget with a partner or family member. The answer depends on whether you are using the free version or the premium version of the software, and how you choose to access it. For mobile app users, the free version of Goodbudget allows you to share your household budget with up to 2 mobile devices. This means you and a partner can both have the app installed on your respective smartphones or tablets, keeping your spending synced in real time. If you upgrade to the Goodbudget premium version, that mobile device limit increases to allow up to 5 mobile devices linked to the same household budget. However, there is an important exception regarding computers and web browsers. Logging into Goodbudget through their official website on a computer or desktop browser does not count against your mobile device limit. There is no restriction on how many computers or tablets can access your household budget through the web portal. You can log in from any desktop browser as long as you use your correct household credentials, though you should always remember to log out when finished for security. If you ever switch phones or encounter a device limit reached error message, you can easily manage your connected hardware. By logging into the Goodbudget website on a computer, you can navigate to the Manage Devices section under your household settings. From there, you can revoke access from old or unused phones to free up a slot for a new device. This gives you full control over your active connections without losing your historical data or budget configuration. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.